Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. We're looking at a 0.01 microfarad capacitor that is attached to a Leslie 22H relay. Now here is the replacement for that capacitor here, and I have the old one connected to my SENCORE LC101. Let's see what we get. Okay, so this tells you that this has to be replaced. All right, so I'll be replacing this, and down to a couple more of these left, so I'm gonna have to order some more from Mauser, because I have several more Leslie 22Hs that I have to work on, and also have some Leslie 47s that I have to work on as well. Okay, so I need those capacitors for those units. I believe they also go on the Leslie 147 amplifier as well. So yeah, I believe they do. Yep, 147. So okay, so I'll order some more of those. To the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.